Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will be continuing our LeetCode series. In this video, we will be solving this 20th question, which is valid parenthesis. Let's just read the question first. So question says, given a string S containing just the characters this, and determine if the input string is valid. So we will be given a string and we have to check if the string is valid according to the question. So how the string will be valid? So if open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So every open and closed bracket should form a pair basically. So if we have this open bracket, so then it must have a closed bracket according to it. So here it is. In example 2, we see three pairs here, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the valid string, and this is not a valid string because the opening bracket is a different string and the closing bracket is a different string. So we don't want that. And in example 4, as we can see, we can form a pair. So this is the open bracket and this pairs with this closed bracket, and these two are a pair. In example 4, there is a pair for this bracket over here, and there is a pair for this bracket over here, but they are not together. So we are also not counting there. So that is also a false statement. So how we gonna solve that? We gonna solve that with using a help of a vector HTML container. So let me just code and I will explain the code as we go through the code. So let me just initialize a array first, vector that's named array. Now we will be iterating through the whole string right here. For loop. So if we see any open brackets, if character equals to any opening bracket, then what we'll do is we will push back that character into the array. Push back. So first of all, this array will be empty and it will be filled with this type of characters like opening brackets. And if it's not an opening bracket, it's a closed bracket, then if so like if it's not an opening bracket, then the array might be empty. So if array is empty because it did not find any open brackets, then we will return false because there is no open bracket, so there need not to be any close brackets for it too. So we will initialize a temporary variable here which will store array.back, and we're gonna pop back that last bracket back. And now if we're gonna check about the different types of closing brackets. So if character has this closing bracket and this temporary starts with do not starts with opening bracket. So this is the whole first case. Or we're gonna do same for each and every brackets. So for curly bracket, if temporary not equal to opening curly bracket, then for the square bracket, similarly. Opening square bracket. So that's the all conditions that we should check, I guess. Let's just wrap them in a bracket so it's convenient to see. So this is one condition, this is other condition, and this is the third condition. So if this happens, then we will return false. Otherwise, if there is no uh, there exists no pairs like this, then we will simply return an empty array. And this will come underneath here. So let's check if the our code is correct. Yep, so that's it. That was the video. Thank you for tuning in.